Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to this new tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp application, desktop application is not working on your Windows. So without any delay, let's start the video. I'm going to show you three methods how to fix this. The first one is go to your search option and here type WhatsApp, and after that you can see this uninstall option. Just click here to install your WhatsApp application. Then go to your Microsoft Store and reinstall the application and see if the problem is fixed or not. If this doesn't fix your problem, the second method is go to your search option again and here type WS reset, and you will see this run command. Just click it and this will run a command to fix the Microsoft Store. So you have to wait for a bit to finish the process. It will repair any problem within the Microsoft Store. As you can see, my store is open, and see if this helps you solving the problem. And if this doesn't help you, now go to search option again and search Microsoft Store. Here it is, and right click it here and go to application settings. And now this window will open, and after this scroll down a little bit, and here you can see reset option. Under the reset option you can see the repair option. Just click it and it will start repairing any problem within the Microsoft Store. So give it a couple of seconds to finish the repair process. After finishing the repair process, just restart your PC and see if the problem is fixed or not. And this is the video, and I hope this video helps you fixing the problem. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.